Shiva se Panthana Santu, the channel, have presented a small discussion on the link between the Indo-script and Sanskrit. Now what about Brahmi? Yeah, it is related with Brahmi script also. What about the society? Today the channel will discuss few points on that. Was it totally veg? No, not at all. In fact, scientific methods have proved that the contents found in the pots, vessels, prove that the society was following a non-veg diet also. After all, Sanatana Dharma, Vedic Dharma, Hindu Dharma, Hinduism is not dependent on any particular diet plan. No. Why at all there was a need of trade and commerce? Any nation who has got abundant supply of manufactured goods is capable of manufacturing continuously, has got good number of skilled labor, there are various types of arts. Obviously, they will go in search for few more places to sell their products. Obviously, they will cross their boundaries. They will go to the foreign lands in the search of markets. It was proved by the trade routes. Yeah. There were 3 trade routes. 1 by water, 1 by land, 3rd by both land and water. Any society, any civilization, any nation who has to follow 3 routes, obviously there has to be some power, some speciality in that culture, in that society, in that civilization, in that particular nation. One route was not sufficient. Now what about other things? When traders go, obviously, with them, language, culture, customs, beliefs, everything will go. It is being proved by the triangular shape of pyramids. Why at all pyramids were triangular at the top? Well, they may have a circular base, rectangular base, square base, triangular base. But when they reach at the top, it is conical, it is triangular. Why? Sachin Dhoni also asks us, why at all it was triangular? Well, the Indian meditation style, you can say, which was practiced by Kashmir Shaivism. Now you may call it Kundalini Yoga also. Well, it was at advanced level in Kashmir Shaivism. And it also went through the traders. Yeah. It influenced them. Yeah. The people of Egypt. And few other things which we might discuss later. It shows the similarity between many things. Yeah. Regarding the language, Sindhu became Hindu in their language. You can say Mesopotamia and nearby places. Our Soma became Homer in their language. Even our stories were slightly changed and mixed with their own local flavor and were promoted. No harm in it. See, here the channel is not claiming of its own superiority or speciality. No. But the problem is, when the Sanskrit comes in the picture, there is an aversion, a rejection. Why? you will hear many people saying that ancient Sanskrit, Greek, Latin, and many other languages, well, they are common in nature because there was one mother language. What was that? No name is given. What was the script? Nothing doing. It is lost and blah blah blah. Many reasons are placed. Now what will happen if you admit that it was a preliminary, basic version of Sanskrit? What will happen by accepting this? My dear, here lies some mystery. The complex problem is coming on the surface. That's why when the journey is done in searching the links between the languages, the roots of the words, it is said that Sanskrit is new language and there is some other mother language. No. What is the name of that mother language? Can anyone show? Prove by any method? Sanskrit has gone through different phases. First it was symbolic in nature, dear. Later alphabets came and they also went in the process of changing their shapes, pronunciation, meaning, and so on. So, please, think again. If at all there is a relation, what is the main cause, main dimension? Man, who will take more? Just imagine. Obviously the river won't ask. We have to take the water, no? Yet the people is taking water. So obviously, it's not the case of superiority, inferiority. It's a demand and supply. If Sanskrit became the source, if Sanskrit is the mother language, then what's harm in accepting? What's harm in accepting, man? Regarding customs, culture, food habits, and various other things, already there is a combination. Various types or levels of combinations are there. Why can't you think on that?